Hi, in this video I'll demonstrate the use of a Redis feature flag server that can be used to turn off or on features on checkbox.io. So we have three production servers here, and of the three we have a Redis master and the two other production servers here are slaves. This I have configured using a YAML file. So we can see that we have the role checkbox underscore prod underscore master, in which the master server is being installed, and all the other rules like prod slave and prod canary, we have the slave installed, which are the slave of the master. So we now have two instances here. So let's go and open an instance to see the application. So the application is now up and running. I'll show you how I modified the code in the checkbox applications so that we can turn off or on feature using Redis properties. So I have modified in the create.js file. We can see that for a endpoint which is used to create a study, so we have a function that is defined for it called create study, and in this create study function definition I am getting a can create key, which is our property here, which is stored in Redis, and whenever this can create value is false or null, this operation is not permitted. Otherwise we are permitting the operation to create a new study. So this is the code here, and right now my Redis server is newly installed, so there are no key that are being stored here. So whenever we trigger a can create, we will get a reply of null. So now let's open the application in one of the IP addresses and try to create a study. So let's go to research, design, and then a study. So if we try to create a study, we can see that the URL is being redirected to undefined and the study was not successfully created. We access the application at 191 to see how the Redis is being synced. Let's open Redis in another server which is not 191. So we have another server here which is ending with 45. We access it into it and then open the Redis client. If we do a get on the can create key, we can see that the key is not existing right now. Let's set the key. It's true. So now we are enabling the creation of a server. If we go to the other server 191, and open the Redis client, we can see that the value is now synced and the can create value is true. Now let's open the application once again, go to research and try to create a study now. As you can see now that the study has been now properly created. This is how the Redis flag server is working.